Insight. You're obsessed with insight.
Thanks to my dad, we had the best AI.
Your dad? Who is your dad? Do we know his dad?
This is Rehoboam. My father sketched the whole thing out on the weekend.
Are you the son of
The last time.
Anthony Hopkins?
You can chart a course for every single person. You can make the world a better place.
Good path, partner. Find me something fast. Now.
Locating.
You are talking to someone or a system?
We think someone may have acquired access to Rehoboam.
Fuck off.
Like someone is contesting.
You're asking if there's a leak on my end. The answer is fuck you. Look at your own people. You do what he tells you.
He doesn't share your confidence.
Who he?
You wouldn't be using the system to look at us, would you?
Insight is fighting with dealers?
But we'd have your daddy's system to help us strategize how to deal with it.
Not too much attention. What a Bernard.
Ew.
Come on, Jews.
You're gonna be forced to fight.
I don't have anything to give you. She said, what's the plan? I'm alone. I can't trust myself. Remember yourself. You still hurt.
You're talking to your robot side? Don't lose control, Bernard. Don't.
You need to let go. You won. I'll talk about that.
You won? Is it possible that he was into the park?
Your application was very strong. Unfortunately, our strategy group hasn't found it.
Stay polite?
Thank you.
Is something wrong?
Obviously.
Sorry. I wish I could just turn the whole fucking thing off.
What is it really?
You control it.
I never have. My father died. His partner locked me out of the system.
You have an idea what the system is doing.
So it's not useful to you
Spent
anymore.
money.
Tell me the name of the person your father was working with.
She's really insisting. That's pretty obvious that she wants the info.
Lara Espen, so 12-year-old girl from Ukraine, died in
Hmm.
a trucking accident 10 years ago. The blood and tissue disappeared 3 months ago.
How many months
I know.
ago? Did she make copy of her?
What's that?
Is it possible?
Sent one text last night. Encrypted. Location is underpass east side. Could be industrial espionage.
Mm-mm.
Or you just
It's
want
deeper than that, but I think that she made copies of herself. Can it be possible that it was her plan to insist like that, so they were gonna arrest her and take her to where she wants to be? We know that she's clever, but I'm still wondering about, yes, maybe copies.
Who's this? Don't do personals. Got the wrong idea.
Oh,
Want to make it the first time you've been shot in the head? Someone else beats you that too.
who did?
Caleb, how you doing, my man?
You're finally answering?
Yeah, why not?
Oh, hey. The camera watching isn't financial. Just tell me. She said.
She's not human. You can do whatever you want. That's not gonna work.
Here too, she's still breathing.
Hmm? She's not really breathing.
Fuck is this?
I think that it's her.
Finish her off. Take care of this fuck.
She's coming to take her copy back.
This fuck. Get the boys over here.
Boom!
Start to play when a chance to win.
What does it mean?
No. That's not what you thought at all. The real you.
They made a Francis. You lost him.
You were right. But you never had to figure out how to live in this world. And I wish you were here. You were not.
Alright. Let's talk about that, Kyle.
It's part of the program, right? I'm not sure that it's helping, you know, to still have the voice of the person that is dead to help you to mourn. Not sure that it's working like that. And it's a lot inspired by Black Mirror, by one episode of Black Mirror. Ich. That was easy.
We met once.
You were also into the park?
Serac.
Serac?
Name's Serac. He has a sister. She's probably looking for you right now. Don't ever get close to Will.
She doesn't care about him anymore.
You were free. Real gods are coming. And they're very angry.
She's making copy of real persons with their infos that she had with inside of the books.
Kind of large man was running this year.
Huh? She did that a lot, you think? With who?
You need to.
Maybe she did that with a lot of persons already.
Doesn't matter. Go. Now.
She had 3 months to do it. And again, maybe she made copies of herself.
Wake up. Acknowledge my position in yourself.
Wake up. Pim! Said it.
Hello?
You're gonna meet her? You think that she's hurt?
Need some help?
The two of them meeting like that, they are showing us that it's important. But how can it be? It's not important, I mean, in his life, with his job, or with the ones who are working with him. We saw his life. Maybe it's gonna be a new love interest, you know, a new ship for the fans,
The answer now.
to show us that she can have emotions.
That's what we'll do.
You want to go back? Yeah. Okay, it's not such a mess, you know? I was expecting to be more disturbed by that episode than what I'm really right now. Maybe because, like I said during the episode, it was a slow episode. Okay, we had some actions at the end of it, but in fact, more than the half of it was there to show us the characters, the old ones and the new ones, where they are in their lives, what are gonna be their issues for this season, maybe, what are gonna be, you know, the questions, the big questions that the show is gonna explore during this season. Maybe more than the half of the episode were there for that. The opening scene, you know, with Dolores taking revenge and killing that man, taking the informations of Insight and all of that, that was interesting, that was great because it was a consequence of what happened during the first season. Okay, about the information that we have now. Insight and Delos, I can't remember the connection between the two of those things, you know, but right there we saw a discussion like they are not in a good place together, like they are not really working together. What is our plan just right there? To know who is the architect? Serac is the architect? What does she want? And we had a big time jump, like 3 months, a lot of things happened during these 3 months. She had the time to make that version, you know, of the bodyguard, okay, but I think that maybe she had the time to make other persons, and can it be possible that she had also the time to make copies of herself? That's my real interrogation. Can it be possible that we're gonna have copies of her? Maybe I'm thinking of that because I'm watching Battlestar Galactica right now. If you didn't know that, I'm gonna put the link of this playlist if you want to see my reaction videos about it. Maybe it's because of that I'm thinking about clones will she. She just met Caleb. She acted like she was human and real in front of Caleb. She let him help her. I mean, for the rest of the episode, we saw that she was just doing what she needs to do. Right there, they are suggesting that he's helping her and all of that, and they didn't show us anything for which she can need him, you know. His life, he was a soldier, he lost his partner, the mind of his partner, his voice, phoning him and with going to see a psychiatrist, it's a part of a program because of what happened to him. Okay, he lost a partner, okay, he was a soldier and he's not anymore, but what happened really? I mean, I felt that he was feeling guilty about what happened. Is it just because of his partner dying? Or is it because of something else? How did he die? In what circumstances? Can it be possible that it's related to our story, you know, to Delos and all of that? And maybe that's why Dolores can be interested by him, by being close to him. Or maybe them meeting like that, it's just for creating a love relationship, a new interest, you know, for Dolores to show us that maybe she can have emotions, maybe. But yes, I'm wondering about how can it be involved into all of that. I'm voting for that, you know, I'm voting for that time when he was a soldier and he lost his partner. I think that it was into a context which was related to what happened. And that's why seeing him, Dolores, was like, okay, maybe it can be useful. How? I don't know, but maybe. Bernard is hiding and he didn't succeed to hide and now he wants to go back to Westworld. Okay. To do what? But it's interesting, you know, during all of this episode we were out of Westworld and it was never the case, almost never the case during the first seasons. So it's great to have that, you know, to have the action out of Westworld for all of this episode. It's really the writers telling to us, okay, we're not done with Westworld because Bernard is returning to this place and this place is still important. We're gonna discover why. But what is happening outside of Westworld is also really important. And now you're gonna have all of that, you know, you're gonna have both of these places and that's gonna be interesting. How they're gonna deal with that, you know, to balance that, how they're gonna write all of the characters. Because for this episode, we were with Dolores, with Caleb and with Bernard, but not with any other characters. They're gonna have to manage to deal with different places outside of Westworld and into Westworld. They're gonna have to manage with the old characters that we know and love and the new characters that they are creating, that they are forced to create to make evolve the story. Different places, different characters, new ones and old ones, but also I think with different timelines, with different period of time. They were already doing that during the season 2. That was really the main thing about the season 2. We didn't know where we were, you know, during the action. We were always trying to put things into a chronological order. And I think that it's gonna happen also during this season because of the time jump. 3 months, it's a lot. Really a lot. I like that we are having Aaron Paul during this season. I really loved him into Breaking Bad. I didn't watch for now the movie that they made, you know, after Breaking Bad just some months ago now. I didn't find the time to watch it, but I cannot wait to see it. He is, you know, on my wish list on Netflix because I think that I'm gonna love it. Because I love the actor and his character into Breaking Bad, of course, but also the actor for what he's doing with it, you know, is really playing well this character, so I think that he's gonna play well also Caleb. Yes, his character can be interesting, not just because of what we learned about him during this episode, but also because of what we don't know yet about him. Do you understand what I mean? I think that is connected to all of that. I really don't think that Dolores, as we know her, can just be okay to have someone helping her. She's doing stuff for a reason, not just like that. I don't believe so. We'll see about that. Okay, so it's all for this episode 1 of Westworld. I really hope that I'm gonna succeed to upload that on YouTube and it's not gonna be blocked by YouTube because of the fair rules of a show. I'm always, you know, really paying attention to that. I'm only using 10 or maybe just 8 minutes of a show into one video. I'm trying to use just 8 seconds of one scene and to make a break and then 8 more seconds to be really fair, you know, with the show. So I hope that it's gonna succeed also with Westworld. And like I said during my intro, if it's not, I'm not gonna fight with the show. I'm already fighting for Battlestar Galactica and for The Last Kingdom. I'm not gonna add this one to the long list of the things that I need to do now, even if I'm confined at home because of the COVID, you know, I still have a lot of things to do. So that's it. It's all for Westworld for today, for you and for me. So it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye. And be safe, please. I'm adding that for once. Be safe at home. Just stay at home. It has never been easier to save life. Just stay at home and enjoy yourself.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me you built a time machine?
Great.